If English spelling were simple, you wouldn't be here right now. As you know, the way a word is spelled in English and the way it is pronounced are often not the same. I won't go into why that is in this video today, but I am going to teach you a cool tip that will help you approach new words with confidence. Hi, I'm Hailee, and welcome to my channel, Learn English with Hailee. In this video, I'm going to teach you something that I learned in kindergarten as a native speaker. This is something that I think all Americans learn when they're first learning how to read. Now, what I'm going to teach you today is not a rule, but it's a really helpful guideline, and it works often enough that knowing it is going to make a big difference when you see new words in English. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure you hit the bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. Today I'm going to teach you 10 different vowel sounds and how to know how to pronounce them when you see them in one-syllable words. So after you watch this video, you will have more confidence when you are pronouncing new vocabulary words. Are you ready? Let's do this. So English has 5 vowel sounds and sometimes 6 if you count Y, but they are A, E, I, O, and U. Each vowel can make at least 2 different sounds. There are different words for these sounds. Some people call them long and short vowel sounds. I've also heard them called alphabet and relative vowel sounds. For this video, I'm going to refer to them as the alphabet sound and the relative vowel sound. We'll start with the alphabet sounds for each of the vowels because it's pretty simple. The alphabet sound is the same sound as the vowel's name. So the alphabet sound for A is like the A in cake. E, the alphabet sound is E like in C. In I, the alphabet sound is I like high. O, the alphabet sound is O like no. And U has 2 sounds. It can be U like cute or oo like moot. The relative sounds can be a little bit more difficult, but A is ah like in cat, cat. E is like in bed, bed. I is I like in sit, sit. O is ah like in hot, hot. And U is like in butt, butt. Now you know the sounds. Let's take a look at some more examples of these letters and words and see if you can figure out the guideline for when you use the alphabet vowel sound and when you use the relative vowel sound. All right, let's see.
A, wait, ate, late, cake, make, pale. A, cat, bag, sad, glad, mad, back. E, meet, eat, see, feel, leap. Get, let, met, bed, wreck. I, ride, hide, ripe, mine, fine. Miss, hit, stick, fill, lip. O, drove, broke, nope, goal, nose. Hot, not, lock, socks, pot. U or oo, cube, cute, blue, true. Butt, cut, bug, rug, fun.
Now you've seen and heard words with all 10 vowel sounds for the 5 different vowels. Did you notice anything about when A is pronounced A or A, or E is E or E? If you did, great job. If not, no worries. I'm going to tell you the guideline right now. When we have a one-syllable word, so a short word, with only one vowel, we pronounce the relative vowel sound. So the vowel will be A, E, I, or Okay? If a one-syllable word has two vowels in it, we usually will pronounce the first vowel with its alphabet sound, and the second vowel is silent. So the first one would be A, E, I, O, or U, and then the second vowel in that word would be silent. Let's take a look at an example to make this clearer. So with this word, B-A-T, how many vowels does it have? Only one. So we would want to pronounce it with its relative vowel sound, so A, bat, bat. Okay. Now let's add a vowel to the same word, B-A-I-T. Here we've got two vowels, so the first vowel we will say with the alphabet sound and the second vowel silent. So A, bait, bait. Do you got that? I hope so. Now I'm going to give you a word that is probably new for you. How would you try to pronounce this word? Remember, it's got one vowel in it. It should be munch, munch. It's got one vowel, so that U sounds like munch. Now remember, at the beginning of this video, I told you this is not a rule. That means this won't work 100% of the time. Here are just a few examples of words that do not follow this rule. Bread, red, bear, high, find. Like I said, there are many, many more words, but this guideline will help you approach new words with confidence. Are you ready for a quiz to see how well you have this? Listen to me say the word, and you try to identify which word I'm saying. Okay, number 1, pant, pant. Yes, P-A-N-T, pant. Good. Number 2, beak, beak. Yep. The other word would be back. Number 3, hick, hick. That's right. I was saying H-I-C-K, hick. The other word would be hike, hike. Clock, clock. C-L-O-C-K, one vowel, clock. The other word, C-L-O-A-K, is pronounced cloak, cloak. And number 5, puck, puck. P-U-C-K, one vowel, puck. The other word, P-U-K-E, is puke, puke. How was that? Did you know which words I was saying? If not, go back and watch again to review the vowel sounds. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit the notification bell so you find out when I upload new videos. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope that when you see a new short word, you feel more confident pronouncing that vowel sound in it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.